It just came on the TV. It said between Carmen and Aline. It was on the ground.
It's on the ground.
Is it still? Oh my God. I get too excited to do this. Right there, right there. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to go in the house in a minute. I knew it was gonna do this. Oh my God. Where's it? Which way is it going? Oh, it's gonna come over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate Oklahoma. Oh, Jesus. Lois Martin, I hope you're not home. Oh God, cars just took off at the roadside park speeding. Well, fellas, this is it, dears. I'm going downstairs. Hang on. Heather, I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm on my way, just hang on.